everybody. So I just did this look. I don't have a name for it yet, so I guess I'm just gonna call it something with green. But I just came up with it. I didn't plan it. I just basically kind of went with the flow. I didn't have anything specific in mind. It's pretty easy. It's only like two eyeshadows I use, and two transition shades, and that was it. Any concealer to carve out anything. I just basically carved everything out with the eyeshadow. So it's just an easy look if you want to do something kind of extravagant but you don't have much time. It's a pretty easy tutorial, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Make sure you like, subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and comment below other videos that you want me to do. So without further ado, if you want to see how I accomplish this look, just continue watching. Okay guys, so we're just gonna get straight into the eyes. As you can see, I already did my brows and one of my eyes off camera, just for the fact that I didn't know what look I was going for exactly. So I just did one eye off camera to get an idea of what exactly I wanted to do. And as you can see, before I go into the palette, I am just blending out the creasing that may have occurred underneath my eyes. And now we're just gonna go in with this purple shade from the Juvias palette, Masquerade palette. I don't remember the name of the shade right now, but I will leave a list of everything I've used in the description box below, so you don't have to worry about that. So right here, I just forgot to put on my primer, so I'm just pausing to do that. And I always like to make sure I put on my primer before I do anything else, just because the longer it's on my face, I find that my makeup application comes out even more flawless. So to blend out that purple shade, we're going to go in with this pink shade from the Zulu palette, and we're just going to blend those edges out. So to create an even deeper transition, I'm going to go in with the orange shade from the same palette, and we're just going to apply that over the pink. Okay, so now we're going to go into the Saharan palette and use this metallic shade and place that all over the lid. And to amplify the pigmentation of the shadow, I'm going to apply some Fix Plus on a shading brush, and I'm just going to apply that onto the lid. So now I'm just going in with a pencil brush from Sigma just to further define the crease with the first purple shade we applied to the eyes. And after that, I'm going to go in with a blending brush to just blend all of those colors together just to create a beautiful seamless transition. And then I'm going to go in with some of the purple shade on the outer corner to blend in the purple and the gold shade. And although the shades are two complete different colors, to seamlessly blend them into one another, I just overlap the two colors. So I'll go in with the gold, and then I'll go in with the purple and go back and forth until I get the desired look that I want. So here I'm just finishing applying my eyeliner, and then I'm just gonna pop on some lashes. So now let's get into the face. So I'm using my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Foundation in the shade 370 with a Morphe 439 brush. And as you can see, it blends the makeup so flawlessly. It is my favorite brush. I have literally not touched my beauty blender. I haven't touched any other brush to apply foundation. It is just so seamless and so beautiful, and because the brush is so dense, it helps you apply the foundation so fast. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with this Too Faced Born This Way concealer in Warm Sand, and I'm just gonna highlight the rest of my face. And for this part, I'm just gonna speed it up, and I'm not gonna talk through it because I already have a tutorial up on how I do my full face, so I'll link that down below. If you guys have not seen that already, you should check that out first before you watch this video. Okay, so now I'm just going in with this green eyeliner, and then after that I'm just going to add some orange on the bottom from the same Juvias Place palette, and then we're going to just blend that out with that pencil brush. And now I'm going back in with that same purple that we used in the crease, and I'm just adding that on top of the orange. Okay, so now I'm just adding some mascara to the bottom lashes, and then we're gonna go ahead and start putting our lip on. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go in with Chestnut from MAC, and then on top of that I'm going to apply the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb, and then that's gonna be it for the lip combo. Okay, so to finish off the look, we're gonna highlight with MAC's Gold Deposit first, and then I'm gonna put some Anastasia Beverly Hills X Emery-Z highlighter over top, and then that's it. So that is it for today's tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.